Hello, welcome to HotelContractBeds. Today I'm going to show you our Posture 1500 model. This bed is part of our firmer backcare range, lovingly made in our workshop and designed to give you the ultimate level of comfort and pure sleep indulgence, and meets all current contract fire regulations. This firm feel mattress has 1500 of our unique identity individual pocket springs. The springs work independently from each other, giving an excellent spinal support, as well as allowing for hips and shoulders to be gently caressed. We top the firmer fillings with a subtle layer of soft hypoallergenic memory foam to give a firm but comfortable night's sleep. The mattress surface is our exclusive double jersey knitted yarn, which is 100% natural and very soft to touch. It's exceptionally absorbent, removing moisture to ensure you stay dry while you sleep, therefore keeping your body at a constant temperature. Mattress borders are stitched to give strength to the edge of the mattress and are fitted with flag stitch turning handles and air vents, keeping the mattress interior clean and fresh, the perfect solution for a cool, dry sleep.